hair rollers. So your hair is long, so let's get started on doing these for you. Did you brush your hair? I had a feeling you didn't, girl. I don't know. There was just something that told me you didn't do that, which I don't know why you wouldn't, considering we are doing some heat rollers today. But I will say your hair is gonna look so cute once we have those rollers out. So there we go. Oh, sorry, I'm like covering your face. Apologies. There we go. Okay. So yeah, we'll brush out your hair. Let me turn these heat rollers on, actually, now that I'm talking. Get those heated up so that you will be all ready and good to go to get them. What's the occasion? I'm just checking. Okay. All right, let's brush out this side. Okay. Hair's so gorgeous, but like so all over the place. Jeez. When was the last time you brushed your hair? Just curious, no hate. Okay. Sorry, I don't mean to pull on all your hair. Alright. Cool. Almost done brushing it out here, and then I'll put like a heat protectant oil for you, and we will get going. There we go. Okay, there we go. There's no more hair in your eyes, right? Okay. Let's see. Let me find my oil. There it is. Okay. Let's put some heat protectant oil before we put those curlers. Put them all over. Let me just massage that in to see if I have anything else. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Back your scalp here. Never you protect your hair enough. Okay, I think that should be good for the oil. Let me massage that in. Kind of get that on the ends as well. Okay. And you'll want to keep the curlers on probably for like, I don't know, let's say 20 minutes. I don't know. That's what I would do. But I'll put like a headband in your hair to kind of keep everything in place so it doesn't really bother you being in there for that long. Just get it at the hair, the longer ends as well. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay. I feel like your hair on both ends now is super well protected. So I feel like we should be good to put the rollers in. So let's open this up. They are nice and warm. Okay, let's see. I have like a lot of bang, but I'll find a way to make this look cute. I also have my extra bag of clips. So when I use one, we'll add one to start, you know, heating up. So let's get this going for you. I don't feel like I really need to divide your hair because we end up clipping everything anyway. So let's start with back here. Go. Okay. There you go. Let's add a clip. Take the clip away. There we go. Does that feel nice and secure? Okay, let's get that hair out of the way. Okay. Just gonna bring this closer if you don't mind. There we go. There you go. Okay, looking good. Okay. 1 second here. So the oil needs to be there. Okay. Sorry, it's kind of going to be a little bit in your face. We'll probably get a smaller roller for this section. There you go. Clip in, warm clip on. Okay. Cool. This is probably going to be a bigger one so we can get more of like a wave. Okay. Let's add a new clip in. Okay. Work on this side. Okay. I am so excited to see what this looks like. There you go. Okay. There we go. everything is feeling okay. Awesome, awesome. All right. There we go. All right. Oh, the clips are kind of hitting each other on your head there. So sorry. There we go. Gotta refill the clips here on the heater. Okay, let's close that to get some more heat. We're gonna basically open it now. All right. Perfect. It's looking great so far. We are actually almost done, believe it or not. Just got a couple more chunks of hair left here, but this is gonna look so cute. There we go. And probably split this last piece into two and do 2 bigger rolls. There we go. Perfect. And then one more. Just perfect because we happen to have one more clip in the heater section anyway. Perfect. Wow. Okay. The rollers are all in. Let me close this up. Of course, I will remove them for you when that time comes in about 20 minutes or so. But I am so excited to see how this turns out. I'm just going to put a headband in just to kind of keep all the rollers in place for you so you feel a little bit more stable. And then I do want to put like a hairspray just to kind of keep the curls in when we do remove it. Okay. Perfect. All right. Well, I think I'm all done putting in your hair rollers. In about 20 minutes or so, we can take them out and we can see how gorgeous it absolutely looks. I am so excited for this. But do you need anything else from me for now? Okay, awesome. All right, well, I'll see you.